up, diamonds and pearls? Welcome back for another video. Today's Tuesday, so we're going to be doing something with my hair. This is actually the twist out from the mini twist that I did I think like 2 weeks ago. So I wore it in the mini twist for maybe like a week, and then I took it down and wore it in the twist out for a couple of days, and then I put it up in a puff. So now we're going to make this hairstyle last even longer, and we're going to be doing a protective style. I'm going to show y'all how I do my head wrap. So let's just go ahead and get started. The first thing that I'm going to use is some edge control, and I'm using this one by Cream of Nature. So I am just going to put some of this on my edges and then lay my edges the way that I want them. And to be honest, I'm being lazy. I really need to wash my hair, but I just don't feel like it. And now I'm just going to use my satin scarf to lay my edges. Okay, I'm going to let this sit on my edges for probably about 10 minutes, and then I'll be back to show you how I do the head wrap. Alright, it has been about 10 minutes, but the first thing I'm going to do is move my puff up a little bit. Oh child, this has been in here so long, it's tangled up. But yeah, I'm just going to move my puff up towards the front of my head a little bit more. Alright, let me just take this scarf off. Hey, edges. You can either use an infinity scarf like this one, or just a regular scarf. Let me show you with the infinity scarf first. I just fold it down a little bit, like to here. You can see that. It's going to bring it around the back of your head. And then pull it kind of tight. And twist it around like this, kind of tight, right? And then you're going to twist it all the way down to the end. Oh wait, let me tuck my hair in right there. Twist, twist, twist. And then you're just going to twist it around the little bun that you made with your hair. And then you're just going to tuck it under. Then I like to move mine back a little bit. And that is it for this one. Then you want to find the biggest hoops that you own, girl, and put them on. And then just like that, you got a cute little protective style. And this is like a really, really long scarf. So what I do is just fold it in half. And this scarf, one half looks like this, and then the other half looks like this. And I want this half to be on the outside. Bring it around the back of your head. And then you're going to tie it. And then with this one, you just twist it around just like you did with the first one. And then just bring it all the way around and tuck. And you do the exact same thing for the other side. This is such a simple, easy, quick, and cute protective style. Alright, now that it's on, I'm going to slide it back off of my ears. Some people like it on their ears, but I like my ears to be free, child. Alright, and that is this one. This is so cute, right? Girl, when I put on the head wrap, can't nobody tell me nothing. It's just everything. And then with the red lip. Who? If you saw or heard something that you like in this video, girl, don't leave without giving it a big thumbs up, leaving me a comment, sharing with 2 of your friends, and subscribe.